Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this max area of island problem. So the given question is that we are given a 2D array of zeros and ones, and we have some islands in the given matrix. So the islands are a group of ones that are connected four-way, that is only in horizontal direction or in vertical direction, and we we cannot take the diagonal directions as connected islands, and the zeros in the grid represent the water bodies, so that is there is no island there, and we have to return the maximum area of island that is present in the given matrix. So if we take the first example here, we can see that there is an island that is in bold. So here we have six ones that are present. So this is the biggest island present in the matrix. So we have to return this the maximum area of the island. So what we can do is we can first we have to iterate for all the rows, and then we have to iterate in all the columns where n is the number of rows and m is the number of columns, and we have to initialize the max size of islands as 0. So if the grid if the grid's current value is 1, that is we are presently on an island, then we have to find the maximum area of that island. Find the area of that island, and then we have to compare it with the maximum area. And if the grid ij is 0, then we don't have to do anything. So if it is 1, the max size, or you can say it as max area. So the max area will be the maximum of current area, and the area of this current island. So we have to create a find max function. So it will take arguments as the matrix, the current position, and the dimension of the matrix. So here we can pass as grid, ij, and then nm. So if I is greater than equal to 0, and j is greater than equal to 0, and I is less than m, and j is less than m. So this is that we are currently present in the matrix, that the indexes are not outside the matrix, so that we can take the values. And after all these conditions are satisfied, we have to check if the matrix ij is equal to 1, that is currently we are on a matrix. We return 1 plus. So this is we are checking the value that is above this one. We are checking the value that is below this one. We are checking the value that is on the left side. So I comma j minus 1 and nm m then we will check the value that is on the right side, so I and p plus 1. And if condition is not satisfied, we have to return 0 as a default case. And after we have checked all the values of the matrix, we have to return the max area. Okay, so now we can run this code. Okay, we have to set the matrix as 0 so that it can stop now. Okay. Okay, so now the problem solved, and we can also see that it is very much faster. So now we can see the time and space complexity for this one. So the time will be n into n into n plus n. So we can calculate the time complexity as the first row is taking n time, the second row is taking m time, and for all of these we are calculating the max area as using recursion. So for the recursion, the time complexity is n plus m. So the final time complexity will be this one, and for the space complexity it will be constant because we are not using any array, like we are not declaring any array, we are using only constant variables to store the results. So that's all for this question. Thank you for watching the video, and do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel if you like the video. Thank you.